If your Samsung TV won't turn on, try this first. It fixes most TVs. So check for a small standby light on the front of your TV. It's usually a red light and it's often located under the logo or along the bottom edge. If that light is off, your TV's probably not getting power. So make sure the TV is plugged in securely, your power strip is on, and try a different outlet that you know works. Next, try turning the TV on using the button on the TV instead of the remote. Sometimes the remote is actually the issue. If that doesn't work, unplug the TV from the wall. Then press and hold the power button on the TV, not on the remote, on the TV, for at least 30 seconds. Wait a minute then, plug the TV back into the wall, and then try turning it on again. For many people, this solves the problem. Now, if your TV responds, like the standby light turns off, you hear sound, or the screen looks very dim, but there's still no picture, that's a different issue. So I'll show you how to fix that black screen in the next video, or if your TV still won't turn on at all, check this video out.